Okay, Morgan and I have just finished another electric gate. So this one is above ground automation, which you can see here. Again, it's another BFT system. We put a lot of reliance in the BFT system, but we know what works. So we do this day in, day out. So these gates now work off a key fob that Morgan is just going to push. So there we go. The arms that you see on either side of the gates here, they push the gate open. Now, some of you eagle-eyed viewers may notice that there's automation at the bottom here and here. So the reason we've now put above ground automation on it is, if you look up this hill here, you can see that it's a hill and all the water and the mud comes down that hill. And what it does to underground automation is it normally blocks the motors. So these gates have been installed for about 15 years. We've cared for them, or we've looked after them for the past 5 years. And we've done a really good job of keeping these gates going. But the motors finally gave up the ghost and we have now had to put on new automation. So the client had chosen to go with the above ground because the underground motors were filling up with silt very often. So you can just see the gates closing automatically behind me here. Again, these gates have been force tested. We have crush sensors just here on the inside which detect for anybody putting their arm on the inside of the gate here. And then we have 2 sets of photocells, one on the internal and then one on the external on the outside. So all the criteria, the force test, everything's passed. It's all tested and set up. So Morgan and I are on to the next one.